Okay, let's be honest, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Pure Oat is like the most straightforward 350 V2 to drop in some time, so this video will be a little different. Yes, lace swapping is occurring, but I guess more a relace than a lace swap, so let's get to it. This is a straightforward shoe, so I gotta spice it up somehow. You guys have the bright, bold red background because we have the exact same 350 V2 box. The label will read Bone, Bone, Bone. This shoe went through so many different name changes. Bone is one of them, Pure Oat is another, and here we have the 350 V2. It's as straightforward as you can get for a Yeezy Boost 350 V2. The pull tab is back. We have the prime knit upper in the bone colorway, Pure Oat, whichever you would like to call it. Again, that is the exact same color all over. We have the semi-translucent outsole that will encase the Boost underneath. On the insole, you have Yeezy and the Adidas logo. You have the 3M branding on the back heel. And yeah, that's kind of it. Now, also, it is semi-see-through where that stripe is, so your socks will show through. Just be mindful of that. And since there's not much more to this all-white sneaker, I thought, why not spice it up with an entirely different lace look, as you can see. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still. Alright everybody, it's your girl TJ back with another video on Talks with TJ, and the perfect, I guess, spring summer 350 V2 has arrived. That's right, the Pure Oat. Now, this is not an early look, none whatsoever. This pair has absolutely been out, and if you were able to get your hands on a pair, please go ahead and comment below. Was this even on your radar? And I totally get some of the drawbacks for an all-white 350 V2. You're concerned about the oxidation. Will it yellow over time? Is that a look you even want? And I respect people saying, you know what, I'll pass for now. If you had the creams back in the day, and if you guys remember, the cream pair, that cream V2 was on the list for 2021 for you guys to vote for my resale pair, and we will go over that resale list later on for April just to update you guys on where it stands with some of the pairs on that list. But some people even gave away their cream V2 back in the day because they just felt it yellowed way too fast. So I get there's a drawback there for some people. For me, I don't mind that. Like it's gonna happen, so that doesn't deter me from wanting this pair. For me, when you have an all-white option to add in the collection for summer, it's perfect. And another option that I absolutely love for summer, even more, I've kind of stepped away from the all-white Air Force One, just truth be told. So like the 97, so the triple white 97 is something I adore to rock in the summer. To me, I would go ahead and continue to swap out brand new pairs of this versus, let's say, an all-white Air Force One. That's just my personal preference now. So for the V2, it's actually not like a pure stark white. If you compare it to like the white that you'll find on some retros or different things like that, it's not like a pure stark white, but it's certainly crisp, it's clean. It does what it's supposed to do. There's nothing extra for it. So that's also why you guys are not going to see like styling for this. What would I need to show you? It's an all white pair. Throw it on with whatever, however you choose to style it, and go about your day. At least that's personally how I feel about it now. I threw these on to head to the mall to go ahead and make a visit to Lids because I gotta get my fitted hats resized when it comes to this hairstyle. It's great, it's perfect, except none of my hats fit. We'll talk about that in a different video. But because this is such a straightforward shoe, I wanted to try something a little bit different with the laces. Shout out to Pinterest for the inspiration. Let's take a look. So much of my time is spent on Pinterest, styling ideas, thinking of things to go back for to add to the closet or try out, and how to lace the 350 V2 differently was one of those things. So decided to try this on the brand new 350 V2 Pure Oat. Completely take out the laces, and you're going to lace this sneaker down, not up, if that makes sense, as you're seeing here. Once you've completely laced the sneaker down near the toe box, string the lace all the way underneath
the additional laced holes, and then from here you're going to wrap the extra lace around the very top lace there, and you're going to string that through each of the loops so you have a shorter lace that's left over and sticks out just over the side, so you don't have to worry about it dragging the ground whatsoever. And you're going to do this again on the other side for the final look, which is a different aesthetic when it comes to the laces. I like it. Please be sure to comment below your thoughts on this lace look. Matter of fact, it was the weekend, had to make a mall run to Lit, so threw on the brand new relaced 350 V2 Pure Oat with colorful pair of socks by H&M and an old pair of minimal zippered pants just to take us back a little bit. It definitely feels like 2015, 2016 rocking this look, but it works for me. Always wear whatever works for you. Be comfortable, be relaxed. That is the entire vibe here, and I fully appreciate this pair. To a Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Do you play around with the lacing? Do you just keep it like a dead stock knot? Do you do the whole loose lace look? I am curious to know. And it's funny, like if you are somebody that spends any time on Pinterest, you know the cream V2, there's always a pic where a girl has her foot up on a dresser and she's got the loose lace look kind of going on. And I respect that, love the aesthetic, but again, I just want to try something a little bit differently. So go ahead and comment your thoughts on that lace look. Do you intend to try it whatsoever? It's also posted on my Instagram, hopefully maybe by the time you guys are watching this, which is talkstylewith.tj. Also, shout out if you follow me on Instagram. I hit 20k. That's pretty awesome. In addition to hitting 30k on here, so be sure you're entering the 30k giveaway. That video will be posted below in the description box. I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.